In this age of AI, uncertainty is the new normal. Data must be more than a tool for cutting costs. It is the compass for seeing through the noise and the key to creating real value. In steel manufacturing, we unified scattered production and inventory data into a single view, reducing report development time by 87%. In precision manufacturing, machine status is now visible in real time. Beyond the technology, non-IT staff now discover insights themselves, fostering a data culture directly on the factory floor. In smart factories, we eliminated manual bottlenecks and improved operational efficiency, turning 3D command centers into true hubs of digital innovation. For retail brands expanding from Taiwan to India and Nepal, we aligned sales and targets across borders, converting fragmented data into unified growth. For a leading beauty brand, we broke down silos between stores and clinics to support the digital operations of over 600 outlets. This is scalability powered by data. Across Asia, the United States, Europe, and the Middle East, FanRuan continues to expand its global footprint. By visiting offices and factories in person, we have gained a profound understanding of the real challenges in digital transformation. Transform data into value.